Hello and welcome. This is a show called How to Make Chicken Salad and Vasquerity sandwich, which is a laughing cow sandwich. First thing I have here is burger sauce. And then you close it. And here, what you need to do is to put one and put the other one on the slice of bread. Then you go ahead, spread the cream cheese around, which is a laughing cow, just like I said before for a sandwich. Next thing you do is you put chicken salad on top of that with this, and we're adding it on with the sandwich, and we have the rest to put on, and that seems to be good, and we put these on top. Burger sauce tastes pretty good. And here is your chicken salad and the laughing cow sandwiches. Thank you for watching and have a great day, folks. Peace.